Hello and welcome to the Smartboard Introduction course. Our goal with this course is to help you learn how to use the Smartboard to integrate technology into your lesson plans. We are going to be using the Moodle online learning system to present this information. Moodle is an online course management system that allows you to create courses that students can then access from anywhere with an internet connection. We are going to be pushing that out to the district as well, so that'll come up a little bit more later on. For now, though, we're going to focus on the Smartboard Introduction course. If you look at the Smartboard Introduction course directly down here, there's the small little smartboard with links to the individual lessons that you're going to go through. If you scroll down, we have a discussion forum, a student forum, and a chat room. Those are ways for you to interact with other students who happen to be taking the course, and then part of the assignments that you're going to be doing will involve posting things to the discussion forum, so examples of the work that you're doing in the course, things like that. If you scroll to the very bottom, there are resources for the course listed. This first one, the course introduction, is actually a link to the video you're currently watching. Below that is the Smart Exchange link. The Smart Exchange is a place where people have posted smart notebook files, smart lessons that they've created so that you can utilize them in your own classroom. Below that is the Smart Notebook Express. That's an easy way for you to access and edit Smart Notebook files from home. It's free and it is entirely online. Below that is a link to the IT Online Smart Training material, so the actual notebook files that these are coming from, as well as any other individual pieces of information that we have to give you. Below that is a link to Jing, which is a screencasting tool. We're using Screencast-O-Matic, which is another option, and then the Smart Notebook actually has a recording software built into it. We'll talk about all those as we go. For now, what we're going to do is take a look at Lesson 1 real quickly, just to see the overview of what a lesson is going to look like. Each lesson will have some text information for you to take a look at. There will be videos for different parts, as well as assignments listed at the end of each lesson. Links to individual documents, or in this case a pretest, will be highlighted in yellow, and then you can click on that and take you to the link from there. We're going to jump back to the Smartboard Introduction and look at the introduction itself. Alright, so the course, the Smartboard Introduction online course. This just talks through what is available. You have a link again to the video that you're currently watching, information on how to contact me, hours of availability, things like that. There is no textbook. Everything's going to be online through Moodle. This is the introduction, just talking about what we're looking to do with this course. Again, course description, course goals, expectations, just talking again about what it is that you are expected to do. Assignments. Every lesson will have a small assignment at the end, whether it's taking a screenshot or doing a little bit of screencasting or showing how you're integrating some technology into a lesson. And then at the end you'll have a final project which will involve you taking a lesson that did not have technology integrated, creating a Smart Notebook file that shows that lesson with integrated technology. There's a quick little rubric for how those will be graded, and then at the end again there's that final project. Here's a couple links to different screencasting tools. You've got Jing, Screencast-O-Matic, and then this is a YouTube video talking about how to use the Smartboard Recorder, and again we'll talk about that later on as well. There's a link to view the final project rubric, a link to submit your final project, and then a link to post your screencast or file in the discussion forum. And again, we want to get a nice database of examples to show people this is how you can use the Smart Notebook files in your class. You have your NETS standards, SD standards as well. Down below, policies, proper netiquette, things like that. At the bottom, CEUs. For completing this course, you do get 7 CEU hours. You need to be able to demonstrate that you can modify and adapt curriculum, materials, instruction to appropriately meet the needs of varied students, staff development activities and service meetings, and so on. This is a big one here. This course does qualify for the technology clock hour requirement, which is a new piece that was added for recertification. So that's a really important piece right there as well. And then just some information about Moodle and how we're going to use it. So what we're going to do is jump back to the main page, and we'll go ahead and get started.